Let me show you how to enable night vision on your V380 Pro Solar Smart Security camera. By the way, by default, when actually it's dark outside, your camera should switch automatically to the night mode. For example, if I reduce my light here to pretty much nothing, let's see how fast it actually does that. So see, it essentially turns on the night vision here, so you can kind of see in the, But if I shine even a bit of light at it, it actually like, essentially like disables it. So if we check basically our phone, so we have to film in complete darkness. So let's see how it actually looks like. So see, you can literally see in the dark over here. So see if I point it at me, so you see, you can actually see here everything. And the night vision actually is very good on this camera. But essentially, once there is some light, even a bit, it should ultimately turn off the night vision. So if you want to toggle also this, when you launch this camera, so open up the camera, click on the More tab, and so image settings. And as you can toggle between the automatic, full color, and black and white. So you see, you can also manually enable the night vision as well. So you see, it's in the night vision. Can we see in the camera? Probably can't see in real life, but I see it actually recording now in the night vision here. So pretty easy. Click.